In this video, we listed the 5 best printers for stickers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon Pixma PRO-200. The Canon Pixma PRO-200 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for professional quality color output. Featuring an enhanced 8-color dye-based ink system, it delivers rich and vibrant prints, perfect for artists and photographers. Its compact design allows for easy placement in homes or studios, while the printer can efficiently produce high-quality bordered A3+ prints in approximately 90 seconds. It supports various media sizes, including borderless printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches and custom sizes up to 13 inches by 39 inches. The built-in 3-inch LCD display simplifies monitoring ink levels and performing maintenance tasks. Users can benefit from Canon's professional print and layout software, which streamlines the printing process, ensuring optimal settings for their artwork. Connectivity options include both wireless and wired, and the printer can be integrated with Alexa for low ink notifications and smart reorder capabilities, eliminating the worry of running out of supplies. Number 2. Canon Pixma 96820. The Canon CNIX6820OB is a versatile color inkjet printer designed for home and office use, featuring robust connectivity options including wireless, Ethernet, and USB. Equipped with a high-performance 5-color ink system and fine print head technology, it delivers exceptional print quality with a maximum resolution of 9600 by 2400 dots per inch. The printer operates at a maximum color print speed of 10.4 pages per minute and 14.5 pages per minute for monochrome prints. Additional features include a quiet mode, AirPrint and Google Cloud print compatibility, an auto sheet feeder with a capacity of 150 sheets, and energy-efficient auto power on/off settings. With support for various operating systems, including multiple versions of Windows and Mac OS X, the CNIX6820OB is a reliable choice for users seeking quality and convenience in their printing tasks. The printer weighs 17.9 pounds and is primarily available in black. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson ET2800 White is an innovative inkjet printer designed for both wired and wireless connectivity, featuring a unique refillable ink tank system that eliminates the need for costly cartridges. This eco-friendly model boasts substantial savings on replacement ink, offering up to 90% cost reduction and the capacity to print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 pages in color, equivalent to approximately 90 individual cartridges. Users can enjoy stress-free printing with up to 2 years' worth of ink included, while the printer's zero cartridge waste feature helps minimize environmental impact. The ET2800 also delivers impressive print quality through Epson's micro-piezo heat-free technology, enabling sharp text and vibrant color photos on various paper types. Additionally, it comes equipped with a built-in high-resolution flatbed scanner and copier, a user-friendly color display for seamless navigation, and a reliable 2-year limited warranty with full unit replacement for added peace of mind. At a lightweight of 8.8 pounds, this printer combines functionality, efficiency, and eco-awareness in a sleek white design. Number 4. Canon IP8720. The Canon Pixma IP is a versatile inkjet printer designed for both high-quality photo printing and general document use, featuring wired and Wi-Fi connectivity options for seamless integration with multiple devices. Capable of printing borderless photos up to 13 inches x 19 inches, it employs a 6-color ink system, including gray ink, to deliver stunningly detailed images with a maximum resolution of 9600 by 2400 dots per inch. Fast and efficient, it offers print speeds of up to 10.4 pages per minute for color and 14.5 pages per minute for monochrome outputs. Weighing 18.6 pounds, this printer also comes equipped with special features such as auto power on/off and CD printing capabilities, making it user-friendly while maintaining a noise level of approximately 43.5 dB. Compatible with various Canon ink cartridges, including PGI 250 and CLI 251 series, it ensures optimal performance and print quality. Number 5. Epson Photo XP 970. The Epson XP 970 is a versatile, all-in-one inkjet printer designed for high-quality printing, scanning, and copying, catering to both home and professional needs. It features a sleek black design and supports both wired and wireless connectivity, making it compatible with various devices such as smartphones, tablets, and PCs. This model excels in producing stunning, borderless photos up to 11 inches by 17 inches using 6-color Claria Photo HD inks, offering vibrant colors and remarkable detail. With a maximum print speed of 8 ppm for color and 8.5 ppm for monochrome, it efficiently handles printing tasks, including specialty media and direct printing on CDs, DVDs. The innovative design includes a 4.3-inch touchscreen for easy navigation, built-in USB and memory card slots for PC-free printing, and a convenient rear paper feed. Additionally, its Wi-Fi Direct capability allows for simple mobile printing without the need for a router, making it an ideal choice for users seeking convenience and exceptional print quality.